What if I have one yellow block and I add 3 yellow blocks? How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what if I take away 2 yellow blocks? How many do I have? 1, 2. That is addition and subtraction. Today we are going to sing a song, share some books, and I will show you an activity to play with addition and subtraction at home. So stay tuned. This is one of my favorite songs to share in story time. It's called 5 Little Hot Dogs. So we're gonna do 5 little hot dogs and we're going to cook them up in our frying pan. 5 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The pan got hot and one went bam! We had 5, we got rid of 1 hot dog, so how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The pan got hot and one went bam! Now how many are left? We had 4. Take away 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The pan got hot and one went bam! Now how many are left? We had 3. Take away 1. 2. 2 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The pan got hot and one went bam! We had 2. We took away 1. So how many are left? 1 hot dog. We better be careful with this one. 1 little hot dog frying in a pan. The pan got hot and one went bam! Uh-oh. Now how many hot dogs do we have? 0. 0. 0 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The pan got hot and the pan went bam! Now I have some book recommendations to help you practice your addition and subtraction at home. The first picture book that I chose that I'm going to share is called Stack the Cats by Susie Guaramani. She has a couple of different books. This one we actually have in our STEM collection, which has all kinds of science, technology, engineering, and math books for preschoolers and toddlers. One of my favorites, this one. I love the illustrations. Cats are really cute. It's very simple. It's really essentially just stacking cats. We have 2 cats, and then we stack a 3rd cat, and we make 3. And then we go through and stack more cats and take cats away. Very cute. There's a big tower of cats. So this is a fun one. The second one that I brought to share, this is a new book. It's called Arithmetic's Take Away, a math story. I believe this is one that we also have in our STEM collection. It's written by Anne-Marie Stevens and illustrated by Gia Liu. And this one is very specifically about subtraction. It's really cute. It has all these cute little chicks playing around, and then there's story problems that you can talk about and do together on each page. 3 chicks hustle off. 9 minus 3 chicks equals 6 chicks fretting, and mouse hides again. 4 chicks crawl down low. 6 minus 4 chicks equals 2 chicks panicking. Find someplace quick, you too, mouse. So then it goes on and on, gives you more math problems, lots of great subtraction practice and a great way to play with math. Hello again. We are in my kitchen because I thought we could play a little counting game together. This is a game that you can play at home too. You might need a little bit of help from your grown-up to get it set up, but all you'll need is a container that holds water. You'll also need something that floats to make your boat out of. And then you'll also need some pennies. And then optionally, you can have a die like this. And this will help us determine how many pennies go into our boat, okay? All right, so first thing we're gonna do is set our ship a sail. There we go. So you see mine's floating in the water. And then we're gonna make a prediction. So I want you to think about how many pennies do you think we can put in our boat before it will sink? So guess how many pennies you think we can put in our boat before it will be too heavy to float anymore. All right, think about it. You can even write your number down, your prediction down if you want to. But first we're gonna just start with 1 penny. So if I take 1 penny and put it in my boat, do you think it will continue to float or will it sink? Let's see. Still floating. And then the way you would use your die, if you want to play it this way, you don't have to, but you can roll your die and add however many pennies turn up on your die. So I'm going to roll mine. I got the number 2. So I'm going to add 2 pennies. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. Still floating. We might have to fast forward a little bit.